We were gathered in a side ward on a balmy summer's night. The phone call had said to be prepared, that you could lose the fight. And so we drove 200 miles with one quick toilet stop on a bag of crisps and a can of Coke from the motorway service shop. We arrived in traffic 3 lanes wide in a town we barely knew, honking the horn and flashing lights in an effort to get through. We eventually found the hospital, an aging, sprawling edifice where the threadbare staff did their best in an effort to get benefice. We ran like demons to a lift, afraid we were too late, and we found a harassed student nurse who gave us an update. She showed us to a private room where your family were amassed, and we thanked the Lord that we'd arrived before you finally passed. So, we were gathered in a side ward on a balmy summer's night. We could see out o'er the ocean, flickering shipboard lights. Your bed faced the big window and the seascape you loved so. And there you took your final breath. It was time for you to go. And as you departed this world, as though it were on cue, at the center at the window, a seagull came in view. It gazed at us and cocked its head, then turned towards the bay and headed for the ocean as it bore your soul away.